right, let's look at number one. All the following organs possess muscarinic receptors except, now, what you need to realize is that all organs that receive innervation from the parasympathetic nervous system are going to have muscarinic receptors. So A, the heart, would be one of those organs. It receives innervation from the vagus carrying parasympathetics. The pupillary constrictor muscles, yeah, they receive parasympathetic innervation from the third cranial nerve, the oculomotor, so it would have muscarinics. Sweat glands are under sympathetic control, but they're the exception. Most postganglionic sympathetics release norepinephrine. These are the exception. They release acetylcholine. They're cholinergic. And so sweat glands have muscarinic receptors. Whereas skeletal muscle has nicotinic M. Nicotinic M. So that would be the correct answer, D.
I think that I figured it out, but I missed what the subscripts were about with the M and the N, just neurotransmitters.
If you just put nicotinic, that would be good.
Okay.
M is for muscle
means in the
versus
Okay.
nerve, yeah.
Oh, no.
Number two, sympathetic preganglionic autonomic neurons originate within the lateral gray horns of the spinal cord. Yeah. Remember, sympathetic is thoracolumbar, and those preganglionic neurons originate within the lateral gray horns. These are motor neurons, so they exit the spinal cord via ventral roots. That would be a truism. And then they lead the spinal nerves to synapse within sympathetic trunk ganglia via ray rami. Whoa, pull a phone. Ray rami? Seriously?
It's myelinated.
Yeah, it's white rami. So A and B would be correct, but not C. So the correct answer here would be D. D. Number three, parasympathetic nerve fibers carried within the oculomotor nerve, A, mediate movement of extraocular muscles. No, those would be somatic motor fibers. They're under voluntary control. We can move our eyes at will. B, mediate lacrimation. No, that would be 7. 7, taste, salivates, and lacrimates. Okay? Mediates pupillary constriction. Bingo. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. So number 3 is C. And of course, all of the above would be incorrect, because A and B were incorrect. Number 4, most organs innervated by postganglionic autonomic nerve fibers possess, well, because most organs innervated by the autonomic nervous system receive both sympathetic and parasympathetic innervation. In order to interact with the adrenergic neurons, they have to have adrenergic receptors, because the postganglionic sympathetics are adrenergic. In order to interact with the postganglionic parasympathetic fibers, which are cholinergic, they have to have muscarinic receptors. So it's D, both A and C, both muscarinic and adrenergic receptors. So 4, DD, CD. DD, CD. You know, Jordan, you almost had that right.
I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. I will leave.
Should have been our group.
You scratched it out. Number 5, parasympathetic preganglionic autonomic neurons providing innervation to the intestines. Okay. A, are carried by the vagus. Well, that would be true, because the vagus is, after all, the wanderer. It leaves the head and neck and innervates organs within the thorax and abdomen, and that would be the intestines. B, synapse with postganglionic neurons within sympathetic trunk ganglia. No, we said it's parasympathetic. So parasympathetics don't synapse within sympathetic ganglia. Neither the sympathetic trunk ganglia nor C, the prevertebral ganglia. Both of those are for the sympathetic nervous system, not the parasympathetics. So the correct answer there is A. These are carried by the vagus, the wanderer. Number 6. Sympathetic postganglionic nerve fibers release which of the following neurotransmitters? Well, sympathetic postganglionics release norepinephrine. The correct answer there is C. 6C. Number 7. Preganglionic parasympathetic neurons which provide innervation to the ciliary muscles of the eye originate within. Well, those preganglionic parasympathetics are carried by cranial nerve 3. And cranial nerve 3, according to our rule of 4s, originates within the midbrain. So the correct answer there is C, a part of the brainstem, the midbrain, cranial sacral. Number 8, drugs which function as muscarinic antagonists. So these are drugs that block the parasympathetic response. They have all the following anticholinergic side effects except dry mouth. Well, that would be a function because you're blocking the salivary gland secretion. So that would be true. Photophobia. Yeah, because you're blocking pupillary constriction, so your pupils dilate and you're sensitive to the light. Constipation. Yeah, parasympathetics trigger peristalsis. If you block peristalsis, you're at risk for becoming constipated. But bradycardia? No. Parasympathetics slow down the heart, so if you block those parasympathetics, you're at risk for tachycardia or palpitations. So D is the correct answer there. Helen, you have a sly smile on your face. Did you get that one right?
I think so.
Okay. Number 9, nicotinic receptors are found in all the following locations, except sympathetic trunk ganglia. Well, they're found there. Nicotinics are found in all ganglia. So B, terminal ganglia, yes. C, skeletal muscle, that was nicotinic. Circular smooth muscle of the pupil, no, that's muscarinic. Those are innervated by parasympathetics. Okay, which would have then muscarinic receptors. Okay, number 10. Postganglionic parasympathetic nerve cell bodies. Again, postganglionic parasympathetic nerve cell bodies are located within, the correct answer is terminal ganglia. Okay, that's where the synapse occurs for the parasympathetic division. D. Did you get it? Good for you. How many people right now are still working on an A? If you get the bonus right. Just Brittany? Did you raise your hand? No. Okay. Name the enzyme that inactivates acetylcholine.
Acetylcholinase.
Not acetylcholinase.
No.
Esterase. Acetylcholinesterase. Acetylcholinesterase.